Hello everyone and welcome to today's DIY science project. Today I will be doing tie-dye with food coloring and some water. First you will need to soak your shirt or tank top or pants or whatever you want in even proportions of water and vinegar. Today I will be using red, green, and blue food coloring. In each cup, you will add 8 drops of each color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you let that sit for a little bit. And then you do the same with the green. And then also the same with the blue. Once your shirt has sat for close to an hour in the water and vinegar, you're going to lightly wring it out to get all the excess off there so your tie-dye sits properly. And squeeze it until very little vinegar and water comes off of it. Once you have balled it up like this and twisted it, you're going to put a rubber band over the top to keep that shape. And then you're going to place another rubber band, kind of to make an X on the shirt. And then you keep adding as many rubber bands as you would like to the shirt. The more rubber bands, the better of a design it has. I'll probably add a few, not too many, because I'm not a real designer person, so yeah, I'll probably have like 6 on here. Once you have put all of your rubber bands in there, you're going to take your first color, which my first color is red, and you're going to gently pour it into one of the spots. Then you're just going to keep alternating the colors. Ooh, that was a lot. And then just keep adding until it is fully or almost fully covered. You might want to kind of like push it in to make sure that the dye has accepted, the shirt has accepted the dye, because sometimes it doesn't really want to accept it because of some materials. And now my shirt is fully covered and we are getting ready to let it sit for 24 hours and then we will wash it.